My name is Patricia Gilligan. I live at number 3, 34 to 36 Henry Street, Leichhardt, in the city of Sydney, in the country of Australia. Sydney is the capital city in the state of New South Wales of the country of Australia. Australia has 7 states, I think. 7 large states. It's a very large country. New South Wales is where I am, but I'm in the capital city of Sydney, in the suburb of Leichhardt, in the inner west, sight and sound and mind controlled section of the city of Sydney. It's many communities, many suburbs combined, and it's total watching, following, tracking, same thing, following, tracking, but they're using technology, so it's not like you just have communities that follow you around in vehicles, as a patrol force. No, they're using advanced technology to track you from the ground and the sky. And to keep you feeling not good by this sound that comes into the place. And I'm just able to record it at this moment, but it goes from sun up till sundown most days. And everywhere you go in the suburb of Leichhardt, that's how you know that they're patrolling you, that it's a system, because you're never left in peace. You're always agitated, always out of your mind. SoS. In other words, SoS, that this is, I need SOS because, it's a mentality, because it's like you feel the so-called psychopathy. In other words, you feel the nature of the beings everywhere. So it's not just that they're hitting you with a sight and sound program around you. In other words, like I hope you can hear,